For the breath I'm breathing, for the life you gave, for the grace unending, mercy every day. Even in my weakness, you have carried me. Thank you, Jesus, you set me free. Thank you, Jesus.